Dukes right here, the barbecue right here, annual right here.
Como 5th annual 5-year anniversary for Central Coast chapter of Duke's Car Club.
That's right. Got everyone, got all the food on. Got the big old line right here. Another beautiful day with Duke's Central Coast right here, Chuco.
Much respect to Rafa Tumbada, always coming through, filming all of California.
Thank you, bro.
Check them out on YouTube.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Yeah.
You got the barbecue right here.
Yeah.
All his kids, the Chicago studies.
Yeah, I'm gonna get them. Right now. So you got Chicano Studies right here. They're the ones serving up the plates from Napomo High School. Serving up the plates for everyone out here at Napomo right here for the Duke Central Coast Annual. Yeah. Chicano Studies right here in Napomo High School. Yeah.
Thank you. Hey, Dukes takes care of you, big dog. Look at this barbecue, Santa Maria style.
That's right there.
You know what I mean? That's how we do in the 805, baby. Your boy G Wigs. Much love to Dukes.
Take care.
My birthday today, I got invited at the last minute for my daughter. This is my family. This is the car club, my family. They're all related, the whole familia right here. You always welcome to the 805.
Yeah. Thank you. Happy birthday too, bro.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Much respect. What's your name?
Adolfo.
Adolfo. Okay.
Yeah.
Órale. Thank you, Adolfo.
All right, man.
Have a good day.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Let me get you guys on there, okay? Riders right here. The Duke Central Coast Annual right here. All the kids right there. Up it up. Diplomats are here. Got the Bada Bean caddy up there too, so that's right.
50-50 raffle. Nobody? Thank you.
You get on there. Good looking out with the music, man. When you get some more music out. That's a banging track right there. Yeah. So bottoms up right here, Boulevard Riders.
Yeah, brother.
Relax right now.
Then my daughter.
Yeah, that's right here. Get you guys on there. Follow them out. Bottoms up photography.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
There. Also with the Boulevard Riders, so check out this pictures, photos. They're banging right there.
And a rider.
Yep, everything. Photographer, videographer, and the rider.
Yeah.
I get you guys on camera right here. What up? Estamos Clifford, you're everywhere, Clifford. What's up? Yeah, Cuddy Joe. What's up, brother? That's right.
See you, Papa.
Thank you. Cuddy Joe with the new ride. You got Cliff Dog right here. You know he's everywhere. Representing that J Kush, the 805 area in Santa Barbara, Santa Maria. There you go. This is new ride right here, so be on the lookout. Join Duke's annual gathering right here at the park.
Cheers. Supporting the community.
Come to P3 right here, you know. Supporting the community, that's right.
Yeah. We support everybody.
That's right.
Partials.
See you guys in August for their event. Don't miss out, right? In August.
Yeah.
Day at the park, remember.
Place to be.
All right.
so high. I'm waiting on your love, baby. I'm waiting on your love. Ooh, you got me so high. I said I'm waiting on your love. It's gonna be so good to you, baby, when you come on home to me. I said you got me high. I said I'm waiting on your love. I'm gonna be right here, baby.
Waiting on your love. Waiting.
I said you got me high. I said I'm waiting on your love. I'm gonna be right here, baby, waiting on your love, baby. your arms.
Waiting on your love.
Baby, I'm waiting on your love. I'm gonna be right here
On your love.
until the early morning rises. I'm gonna be waiting.
On your love.
I'm gonna be waiting on you, girl. I'm gonna be right here, baby.
On your love.
Ooh, waiting on your love, baby.
So high, so high.
Ah, you got me so high.
So high, so high.
I'm waiting on your love, baby. I'm waiting on your love. Ooh, you got me so high.
So high, so high.
I said I'm waiting on your love.
So high, so high.
It's gonna be so good to you, baby, when you come on home to me. I said you got me high.
So high, so high.
I said I'm waiting on your love. I'm gonna be right here, baby.
Waiting on your love. Waiting. Wait so high, so high. Wait so high, so high. Waiting on your love. Waiting.
I said you got me high.
So high, so high.
I said I'm waiting on your love.
So high, so high.
I'm gonna be right here, baby.
Your love.
Waiting on your love, baby.
Makes me wanna move a little closer, look at you. Tonight you're on mine. You know I have my eyes on you. You simply are my type. So many things I do to you. Gonna have the time of your life, a girl like me. I bet you never thought you would return to a playlist. You never thought in just one night that you could learn how to let yourself be free. The things I used to get right were always just a lucky guess. But with you, girl, I wanna make time. Success be delivering, loving I'm delivering. And I'm all about it. Loving you's my expertise. Hello, coming around it, girl. Loving you's my destiny. And I want you to know it. Want you to see, baby, you're a masterpiece. Baby, you're my favorite thing. Love connection, prime selection, full attention. Love connection. Cherry lips we kissed, it felt so right. Seen my future in your eyes.